So hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So students, in this video we are going to see the multiplication and division of integer. This is the most important concept in the high school point of view, and in the class 7th we are having the topics like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integer that we have to see into the detail. And even it is very important from the high school point of view, from the 8th, 9th and 10th standard point of view. And even I will say that as long as you are going to study the maths, this topic it will coming again and again. So let's start with the basic rules, and I will explain you first rules, and then we are going to see some examples of the multiplication and division of integer. So you can see that the students, I have compiled both the multiplication and division together in this only two rules. Only two rules you have to remember, then you can understand everything about it. Okay, so what is the rules are there? You can see that. So in multiplication and division of integer, if the sign of integers are same, answer it is coming in plus, and if the sign of integers are different, answer coming it is in minus. So this rule is applicable in multiplication also as well as in division also. So let's understand with the help of some examples. So now you can see here I am just writing 4 multiplied by 2. So you can check that here 4 also positive integer and 2 also it is the positive integer. So as per our rules, you can see that if both the integers are having the same sign, answer it is coming in plus. So let's do the multiplication. So how much it will come? 4 multiplied by 2, it coming 8. Okay, so let's take the another example, 16 multiplied by minus 7. Okay, so now you can see that here also you can observe that both the integers are having the same sign. 16 also negative integer, minus 7 also it is the negative integer. So as per our rules, if both the integers are having same sign, answer it is coming in plus. So 16 sevens, how much it will come? 16 sevens, answer it is the coming 112, but that answer it is coming in plus. Why answer it is coming in plus? Because both the integers are having same sign. In that case, answer it is coming in plus. Okay, so same rule applicable, it is in the divisions also. So let's take the one example of the division. What is that? 8 divided by we will take here 4. So you can check both the integers are having same sign, answer coming in plus. Okay, let's take the another example, 16 divided by minus 4. Again you can see both the integers are having same sign, so answer it is coming in plus. So same rules, whatever the rules in multiplications are there, the same rules applicable in case of division. So what is our rule number 1? Rule number 1 our it is that if and in case of the multiplication and division, if an integers are having the same sign, okay, what I am saying now, same sign, then answer it is coming in plus. And if an integers are having a different sign, then answer coming in minus. So see here the rule number 2. Let's see the rule number 2, it is in detail. What the rule number 2 tells that different sign, answer coming in minus. What is meant by the different sign? One integer is positive, another integer it is the negative. So in that case you can see that answer it is coming in minus. Okay, so let's understand with the help of the example. So you can see here 3 multiplied by minus 2. 3 multiplied by minus 2. So you can see both the integers are having different sign. So you here that answer it is the coming minus 6. Okay, let's take the one more examples related to the division so you can understand in detail. Like for example, minus 28 divided by 7. So now you can see that in 7's table 28, how much it is coming? In 7's table 28 it is the coming 4, so we will write here 4, but you can observe the sign. 28 it's a negative integer, 7 it's a positive integer. It means that answer it is coming in minus. Okay, so that's why answer it is coming the minus 4. Okay, I hope you understand well. These rules are there. So same rule, whatever the numbers are there, these rules are the same. So same rules we have to apply in multiplication and division. Only you have to remember the two rules. Just I will summarize in short. If sign of integers are same, answer coming in plus. If the sign of integers are different, answer coming in minus. So this is the basic rules that you have to apply. Okay, so two more rules I would like to inform you that in the multiplication, that also to remember, in case of multiplication, if the minus sign is repeated for even number of times, answer is coming in plus. Okay, so what does it mean? Now you can see here, minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 1. So now you can observe that minus sign how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 times it's repeated, means it's a even number. 4, it is the even number. So this answer of this multiplication, it is coming in plus. So what will be the answer? It will come 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So answer, it is the coming 24. Okay, so you can see that this will be the answer, it will come 24. Okay, so this is the rule that you have to remember. This is the third rule in case of multiplication. In case of division, this is not applicable, only it is in multiplication these rules are there. And if the minus sign is repeated for odd number of time, odd number of time, it means 1 time, 3 time, 1 time, 3 time, 5 time, 7 times, this is called as the odd number. And if minus sign is repeated odd number of times in an multiplication example, answer is coming in minus. So let's see here, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 9. Okay, so you can just check one time minus sign how many time? 1, this is 2, and this is the 3 time. 3 times means it's a odd number of time, so that's why here that answer, it is coming in minus. 9 2s are 18, 18 1s are 18, so answer, it is the coming minus 18. Okay, so this is the way you have to remember. These 4 rules are there. If sign of integers are same, in case of multiplication, answer coming in plus. If the sign of integers are different, answer, it is coming in minus. And these are the 2 more rules in case of multiplication. If the minus sign is repeated for even number of time, answer is coming in plus. And if the minus sign is repeated for odd number of time, answer is coming in minus. Okay, if it is repeated for even number of time, minus sign, then it is answer coming in plus. And if the minus sign is repeated for odd number of time, answer coming in minus. Okay, so this is the rules that you have to remember, and you can be help you in to solve the more examples. Okay, so let's do the some more examples for the practice, so your concept, it becomes the clear. Okay, so let's see here, minus 2 multiplied by minus 8. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 8, you can just check both the integers are having the same sign, answer, it is the coming plus 16. Okay, see here, plus 16, it will be the final answer, it will come. Next you can see minus 8 multiplied by minus 3, you can check both the integers are having same sign, so that's why answer, it is the coming plus. Okay, 24, it will be the final answer, it will come. Okay, now you can see that next one after this, minus 16 divided by 4, you can check that here both the integers are having the different sign. When the different sign is there, you can see that as per our rule, answer, it is coming in minus. So minus 16 divided by 4, so answer, it is the coming minus 4. Okay, so this is the answer. So let's see here the some more examples for divisions we will take now. Minus 128 divided by 4. Now you can check that 128, here last 2 digits are the 28 is there, so it means this number is completely divisible by 4. So what will be the final answer? It will come, different sign is there, one integer it is in minus, another integer it is in plus, so that's why answer coming in minus only. So now you can check that 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8, so the final answer, it will come minus 32. Okay, what will be the final answer? It will come, final answer, it will become minus 32. Okay, so let's take some examples related to the multiplication. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 5. Okay, you can check minus sign is repeated for how many time? It is the 3 times. 3, it is the odd number. 3, it is the which type of number it is there? The odd number it is there. So now you can see here, as per our rule, if minus sign is repeated for odd number of time, answer, it is coming in minus only. So what will be the final answer? It will come 5 4s are 20, 23s are it become minus 60. So last example of this video it is, now you can see here -4 multiplied by -3 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -6. Okay, so now you can do the multiplication. Check here the signs. You can see that minus sign is repeated for even number of time. Even number of times means 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Okay, so here you can check that 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are it's 72, and 72 multiplied by 1, answer it is the coming plus 72. Why plus 72 answer it came here? Only because of that minus sign is repeated for how many times? Even number of time, it means 4 times repeated, that's why answer it is coming in plus. Okay, so this is all about the video. I hope you understand the multiplication and division concept which I have explained in easiest way. If you want to try to write down the rules, you can pause the video and you can note down the rules. Thank you for watching my video.